Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Mynta kasih ke tarik kyllalyngkot hajar tulai Bah Hamletson Dohling ryngkat lang bat nonhialam bat Nongkyrshan Jong pyniasoh bat Seng Npp hajar jingialang Madan Madan Umlyngka. Yo Bah Hamlet Dohling la Pdiang Sngewbha Seng Npp do National President Conrad Sangma ryngkat ke jingiadonlang National Vice President Bah Sniawbhalang Dhar State President Bah WR Kharlukhi ke kyrtong na shillong constituency ke Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh bat nongkitkam ke NPP bat NPYF ya kini jingpdiang burom yo Bah Hamlet Dohling lawan sakhi deki hajar ngut Nongkyrshan.
Bah Hamletson Dohling family but leaders Seng Npp. Requesting our Chief Minister, National President to kindly size members, welcoming them to the NPP family. Kementangan ialah play berpelat ya performance report yang Bah Hamletson Dohling. Oh ya, sakti macam tu.
Kalau kita ngaji kuat kebuah, kumpulan menur di bawah mana, bala terwasan turun, kat yang borong sport NPP. Ketika santur kemasuk ke kebuah, kelapan ki bak laput dia do dem yang kibon kiban. Kiremut, uemani jo kemalian bahamaru, ulai ngok yang tak santur. Baiklah, sejak dengan aku beli, ngadai orang bak, ubadon lagi sikit bak keburung. Bahagia bor bangai penyekeran pada cimesar penyekeran swa beruskan pi. Ngelakeran ikut kebuar menegasi. Ngelakeran tang asli kimak. Ngongel cimesar. Ngin penting na. Baladangan mana po ke NPP. Bak NPP brashli ngin penting na. Bak jinti yurnyom kamde banja kamde banlong po kari gisi bilangi. There should not be any uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. That is my discussion with our Chief Minister. But the bar gone. The ILP issue. Kecil perong yang kita kasi apa ke channel ke border issue. Kini kita issue ki bala kata sisa yang akan jadi berdiri bersama. Lajan tak jara santos nem. Anda ya ki issue las nem siapa? Ngeri beriau bapak dia ya issues. Nama berlalu selama pok issue. Kat prasnem ngaran pok issue. Bat kat asnem kumjal secretary. Kini ke issue ILP kepengi ki bon nem. Ngani tu IP. Hal tu ki por ni. Tang penyekeran bawa kabinet 4 juta. Kemat juga LP penyekeran bawa kabinet 4 juta. Kebodohan isu, kekelian nasi, tenggeru bawa isu dan perlu 4 juta bawa kabinet. Dari tak ketika sorga MBA bawa imam jokar ke sama. Kibiyo penyekeran ini isu. Bagasol kemen nasi sarong. Bukum nonglam jom di TSU, dei kemarin bersua apa, marparan, apa jaya, segimana juga ni kan dongi kalau isu juga ILP, ngasuh sorong, ling baju pi pepan mulim, tapi pensoknya yang keren di ILP, apa ke kabinet, baru yang keren di isu ILP, hampir pada wibar Amerika, ryngkat Jong si Mynta. Lebih baik kemudian pencet dengar ngambil alat tren yang isu jaga ILP ke border isu ngapain di sosial media kiong Bah Hamlet Dohling ngambil besar buon juga isu isu kami kiong apa assembly room juga baik itu apa assembly gum besar ngim julak bantuan kumar tangi ka subject jong te ka phala jong laban keren po assembly ngim le jibi berti keren kumar po assembly bom pikamaru ngari minister ka krebe ja ka mak jong ibol yang bam keren ki isu kidang mut bagalang minister ru galang leru ngalai keren yang po mor peran apo jaya apo tapi bisa kayo sih kam deh kumta ngamaga kermau population aja perang orang ipai ba ngam kwa shu bang keren isu tak sabar ngam kwa bang keren hapo jadi mesti kita pensap ngalai bang keren isu pada ini kan apa kabinet ini kan apa meeting pada humresa kata kalau tike ke bang masuk kemana beri bang kerja ke sepi bang keren dan real isu kita im pagaya jauh ke sekretari.
As was being mentioned by Bah Sniawbhalang Dhar, we had a coalition government of 6 political parties. And as you all know, Meghalaya's history with coalition politics is never easy, because all political parties and leaders will have their own interests, their own stand, their own areas of concern, their own way of handling situations. And hence, for a government to be able to carry everybody along sometimes is not the easiest thing. We face numerous challenges when we have law and order problems, different incidents happening, different situations being faced, and different problems coming up. We had a large number of challenges in terms of COVID, where the government could not function in the normal way a normal government functions for almost 2 years, and major development works and other works of the government had to be halted. And a large number of other challenges like these came in front of us. But still we kept moving forward. Our government survived. Our government moved forward and delivered on large number of promises that we had made to the people of our state. Difficult situations and difficult problems were resolved by this government in spite of all the challenges. And one of the biggest reasons for that is because this government always maintained that we will keep the interests of the people and the state as our top priority. No matter what different political parties and leaders may think, no matter what we may feel, no matter what people may say, our decision will be guided by what is best for the people and what is best for the state of Meghalaya. And it is this basic principle that allowed us to make the right decision in very, very difficult and crucial times. We worked as a team, as was mentioned by Bah Sniawbhalang Dhar. Nobody took a decision in an autocratic manner. We involved every cabinet minister. We involved every MLA, every political party, heard everybody, gave a listening to all the concerns that people had, and then came to a decision based on consensus. Very difficult when there are big challenges ahead of you, yet we patiently heard everybody. We involved everybody, we involved society, and we took the decisions that was in the best interest by ensuring that the teamwork was always there. We ensured that development of the people was always priority for us. Because without development, we will not be able to fulfill the different promises being given to the people. We will not be able to take our state forward. We ensured that the development politics, the politics of ensuring that we are able to provide the necessary services to our people kept and was put on priority for us. We never played negative politics. As was mentioned earlier, many people said many things about us. But we did not let those comments, we did not let those views deter the interest of the people. You must have hardly heard me ever speak in any negative manner about anybody. Hundreds of people speak so many bad things about us. That's fine. As was mentioned earlier, as politicians and political leaders, people will say many things. But when we know that we are doing the right thing, when we know that our conscience is clear, when we know that what we're doing is for the best interest of the people and the state, nothing deters us. Because we know that we are doing the right thing.